Hey, what's up, guys? It's June 13th, Friday here. So, welcome back to my daily trade journal and market analysis. The whole purpose of this is just kind of help me keep myself accountable and get myself better at analyzing the market and looking back to this Monday as well. So, we had a really good trading day today. Made about 3,800 today. A lot of things happened. So, this morning, my initial plan was to kind of short this resistance over here. Well, I wanted to short the 10-minute MOB and the blue line over here. But realistically, I wanted to short the 6016 area. So I had some orders there that didn't hit, and then we ended up going down. So I just followed that short downwards because I was already kind of bearish. I knew that because we covered so much of it, it was bound to kind of sell off a little bit, right? So that ended up happening. And then over here, we end up picking along here. Oh, wow, my drawing skill is so bad today. Yeah, we end up picking along here because we end up landing at that 10-minute support line there. And that moved us up. So it took profit at 6008 area. That was a little bit scary there. Actually, that was a huge ride. I thought we were going to come off that, but we didn't. And then they just pushed up higher. And I think that is a 30, maybe 48-minute resistance, give or take. So we pushed up a little bit higher to that 60.25 area. We went as high as 60.29 almost. So that area, that was one of my major resistance for the day. So we shorted that area as well. And as you can see, it paid off really well. We went from 60.25 to 59.65, right? So that's almost like a 60-point move, huge move there. So that's what contributed to the big win today. But overall, I would say like from now to at this current perspective, things look really clean on the 10-minute chart. Like went up, it went down, went and it was very easy move. But on the 1 minute today, it was extremely hard. If you were day trading this, there was a lot of big up and down moves that and that happened really early in the day here. So by 10 a.m., I had already knew that market maker was gonna just manipulate the market like crazy today, and they were gonna try their best to blow people up. So I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of people got blown up trading today just because there was so much manipulation going on. Um, but going into the market analysis, where we think market is gonna go tomorrow and whatnot, let's take a look at the 48-minute time frame, right? So yesterday, I said that I thought we were gonna be a little bit bearish, considering the attacks and everything. I think just the start of the war too, and we're still under all the major moving averages, and we have closed under all the major moving averages. So what that means is we have gone from bullish trend where we're in the situation of closing above these moving averages and just bouncing on them, right? So now we're suddenly closing under these moving averages, and we're starting to reject the moving averages. So instead of bouncing on them like this, we're starting to reject off them, right? So that's why it's bearish. And if you go into the higher time frame, I'm gonna clean this chart up to make it on the higher time frame. We had a doji yesterday and Thursday, and today we had lower lows as well, right? And we had lower highs, which means we are hitting weak. We're going into the bearish direction. We're getting weaker today. So I think this trend will probably continue. Where will we stop at? I'm not sure yet. 5,800 is a great spot if we can hold that area there. 48-minute MOB is also a great spot at 59.10ish. If we can hit over there, MOB is our make or break line. It's also the 97-minute moving average. Uh, at worst, we could see us hit 5680s or 5700s, give or take, by that time. MOB will probably move up to 5700s. So as of right now, I'll probably target the 58 to 57 area in the next few days or weeks and whatnot. So I hope that helps give you a little bit of understanding of direction, idea of where I think the market's going to go. And I hope it goes that way. But things can change anytime. So good luck. Have a great weekend. Touch some grass, take some time off, and come back for another great trading week next week. Thank you for watching.